Welcome back to Tech Monetize Official. I'm Sarah, and today we're looking ahead to the top growth stocks for September 2025. The best investors always look forward, positioning themselves before the next big wave hits. In this video, I'll break down 7 companies I believe are set for serious long-term growth. We'll explore why they're on this list, what makes them powerful, and the risks you should know. From AI and cloud computing to electric vehicles and the metaverse, we're covering the future's biggest trends. It's not just about past performance, it's about where these companies are headed next. So grab your coffee and let's dive into the stocks that could make your portfolio a lot greener. Let's get started. First up is NVIDIA, the company at the heart of the AI revolution. Once known for gaming graphics cards, NVIDIA's GPUs now power the world's most advanced AI systems. Their hardware is essential for training massive AI models, making them the go-to supplier for everyone from startups to tech giants. NVIDIA's data center revenue has skyrocketed, overtaking gaming and signaling a fundamental shift in their business. Their software platform, CUDA, locks in customers and creates a massive competitive moat. Switching away from NVIDIA is costly for companies deeply invested in their ecosystem. As AI demand accelerates into 2025, NVIDIA's dominance looks set to continue. They're not just riding the AI wave, they're building it with constant innovation in chip design and expansion into automotive robotics and visualization. Each new venture, like self-driving tech and Omniverse, opens up huge future markets. Holding NVIDIA is like betting on the entire future of AI and accelerated computing. Yes, the valuation is high, but their lead and momentum justify the premium. If you believe in the growth of AI, NVIDIA remains a top pick. Their innovation and ecosystem make them nearly impossible to dethrone in the near term. NVIDIA is the backbone of tomorrow's technology. Next, let's talk Tesla, a company that's far more than just electric cars. Tesla's head start in EVs is huge, with unmatched brand, manufacturing, and battery tech. But the real story is their expansion beyond vehicles. Tesla Energy is quietly growing, selling solar panels and battery storage as the world shifts to renewables. Their full self-driving software, while delayed, is inching closer to reality and could unlock a multi-trillion-dollar robotaxi market. Even a small share of that market would dwarf current car sales. Tesla's moonshot projects, like the Optimus robot, show their ambition to lead in robotics and automation. Financially, Tesla has turned skeptics into believers with strong margins and scalable production. Profits fuel more R&D, creating a cycle of innovation. By 2025, Tesla could be a leader in EVs, energy, software, and robotics. Volatility is a given, but the upside is massive. Investing in Tesla is buying into a portfolio of high-growth, high-risk ventures. It's a bet on innovation, not just cars. If they execute, the rewards could be enormous. Tesla is redefining what a tech company can be. Now let's look at Amazon, the tech giant that feels more like a utility than a retailer. E-commerce is still growing, with Amazon expanding into new markets and faster delivery. But the real profit engine is Amazon Web Services, the world's leading cloud platform. AWS powers everything from startups to Netflix, and its growth is accelerating with the AI boom. Amazon's advertising business is also exploding, as more shoppers start their search on Amazon instead of Google. By 2025, ads could rival social media giants in revenue. Amazon's bets on healthcare, entertainment, and physical retail add even more growth potential. Not every experiment will succeed, but their willingness to innovate is unmatched. Investing in Amazon means owning a diversified tech conglomerate. You get e-commerce, cloud, ads, and a pipeline of new ventures. The company's scale may slow percentage growth, but its cash flow and innovation keep it on top. Amazon is still a growth story, even at its size. The combination of steady and high-margin businesses is rare. For long-term investors, Amazon remains a cornerstone. It's the ultimate all-in-one tech stock. Microsoft's transformation under Satya Nadella is one of tech's great comeback stories. Azure, their cloud platform, is growing fast and closing in on AWS. Microsoft's deep enterprise relationships give it a unique edge. Businesses trust and integrate with their ecosystem. Their partnership with OpenAI puts them at the forefront of AI, integrating advanced models across Windows, Office, and more. AI-powered features make their products stickier and more valuable, creating a powerful flywheel. The Office 365 suite and LinkedIn provide steady recurring revenue. Gaming, especially after acquiring Activision Blizzard, is a major growth driver. Windows remains a cash cow, funding innovation elsewhere. Microsoft's diversified portfolio and flawless execution make it a growth powerhouse. Cloud and AI are at the core of their strategy for 2025. For investors, Microsoft is a fortress in enterprise tech with multiple growth engines. It's a must-have for any growth-focused portfolio. Alphabet, Google's parent, is more than just a search engine. It's a digital empire. Google Search and YouTube dominate digital advertising, generating massive cash flow. This funds their push into cloud computing, where Google Cloud is growing fast and leveraging their AI expertise. Alphabet's AI research, especially through DeepMind, keeps them at the cutting edge. By 2025, expect AI to be deeply woven into all Google products, from search to Android. Their Other Bets segment is a playground for moonshots. Waymo leads in autonomous driving, and Verily tackles health tech. Waymo's robotaxi service could be a game changer if it scales. Investing in Alphabet means betting on continued ad dominance, cloud growth, and AI leadership. Plus, you get exposure to high-risk, high-reward projects that could define the next decade. Alphabet's diversification gives it multiple paths to growth. The company's innovation pipeline is unmatched. If even one moonshot pays off, the upside is huge. Alphabet is a tech giant with endless possibilities. It's a bet on the future of digital everything. Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, has rebounded with a focus on efficiency and its core ad business. Billions use Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, making Meta essential for advertisers. AI-driven ad targeting and new formats like Reels keep users engaged and revenue strong. The real long-term play is the Metaverse, Meta's bold bet on a 3D virtual world for work, play, and socializing. They're investing billions in Reality Labs to build the next computing platform. By 2025, we'll see more advanced VR headsets and a maturing software ecosystem. The Metaverse is risky. Success isn't guaranteed, and competition is fierce. But if Meta wins, the upside could dwarf their current ad business. Hardware, software, and virtual commerce could create entirely new revenue streams. Investing in Meta is getting a profitable ad business plus a high-risk, high-reward call option on the Metaverse. If the Metaverse fails, you still have a strong core business. If it succeeds, the returns could be massive. Meta is a fascinating asymmetric bet for growth investors. The company is reinventing itself for the next era of the internet. Meta's ambition makes it impossible to ignore. Finally, let's talk about AMD, the underdog turned powerhouse in semiconductors. Under Dr. Lisa Su, AMD leapfrogged Intel in CPUs and is now challenging NVIDIA in AI chips. Their Ryzen and EPIC processors have gained major market share in PCs and data centers. AMD's Instinct GPUs are making inroads in the booming AI accelerator market. Cloud giants like Microsoft and Meta want AMD as a second source to reduce reliance on NVIDIA. Even a modest share of the AI chip market means billions in new revenue. The Xilinx acquisition adds FPGAs, expanding AMD's reach into networking, 5G, and automotive. AMD also powers PlayStation and Xbox consoles, providing stable, long-term revenue. The company's diversified portfolio and relentless execution make it a fierce competitor. AMD is a fast follower with a clear path to growth in multiple markets. The valuation is optimistic, but their track record justifies it. For investors, AMD is a multi-pronged growth story with real momentum. It's a bet on the future of high-performance computing. There you have it, 7 top growth stocks to watch as we head toward September 2025. From NVIDIA's AI dominance to Meta's Metaverse gamble, each company offers a unique growth story. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research. Focus on long-term trends and business fundamentals, not daily price swings. The real wealth comes from holding great companies through the next decade's big shifts. Thanks for watching Tech Monetize Official. If you found value, hit like and subscribe for more. We've got plenty of content coming your way. Until next time, invest smart and stay curious.